I saw this video on YouTube and देखने में बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेम्पटिंग लग रहा था, so I thought why not let's try it. Basically it is a chilla जिसे हम Indian version of pancakes भी बोल सकते हैं, but instead of gram flour they have used oats, so I'm gonna use the same thing. I have added some chopped onions and tomatoes and some ginger garlic paste and some spices to make it more tasty. You can also use curd if you have. I didn't have any curd, so here I'm using only just water. When I saw this video, I wasn't really sure how the recipe is gonna turn out. I personally don't like oats in any form, but trust me, this turned out really good. Though I struggled flipping it around, but yes, I managed. Or maybe not. Okay, I'm fixing this puzzle piece right away. Now this looks tempting, right? I'm gonna have this with some khatti meethi chutney that I have in my home. That is all for today, guys. Do try this out. This is healthy recipe and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.